There are lots of toothpaste out there that you shouldn't use. You just can't pick up any toothpaste and put it on your skin. No, that's what this video is going to be all about. So stay tuned.
Baby, go down, 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 baby, go down.
Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and lifestyle video. If this is your first time stopping by in this channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're an old subscriber and decided to shop on your girl, thank you very much for checking up on me. Thank you very much, I appreciate you. So if you haven't subscribed, this is the best time for you to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button right there to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button so that you will be the first to know anytime I upload new videos. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use toothpaste for instant cure for acne and also acne and pimples. So you just can't pick up any toothpaste and put it on your face directly. There are do's and don'ts on how to use toothpaste. There are types of toothpaste you should use on your skin. There are types of toothpaste you shouldn't use on your skin. And this video is going to show you how to do that. So stay tuned. So guys, before we go straight into it, I did a research and I found out there are different types of toothpaste out there. Yeah, I'll put in a picture on the screen for you guys to see. I didn't know about this before. I had issues of rash after applying a certain toothpaste on my face, and it's not supposed to be so. That is why I took my time, did research on it, and I'll be showing you guys the different types of toothpaste out there. So if you look at your toothpaste, this is, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. You see this place in your toothpaste? Can you see? Look at it very well. This is the blue one. The one I finished using is the red one. Okay, there are lots and lots of different types out there. I actually wrote some of the things down on my notes so that I won't forget about it. Okay, so there's the green, the one that has the green right here means it's all natural toothpaste. Yes, and there's the blue one, which is this one that I have. If it's blue here, it's saying that it is natural and it is medicinal. So if it's the red one, like this one that I have here, this red one means it's natural and chemical. Okay, little chemical. Then if it's all black, that's all black, that common one that is everywhere, means it's pure chemical. And if all black is what's more common in the market, like these ones are very affordable, but that all black is very cheap. Like the one I have here is this natural plus medicine toothpaste. This toothpaste is the bomb. When you want to apply toothpaste to your face for acne or rather pimples, please make sure you don't apply a jelly toothpaste. Yeah, jelly toothpaste is not good for your skin. It's gonna leave your skin excessive dry, and at the end you're gonna end up with rashes on your face. Like 2-3 days time you're gonna have rashes. So please try as much as possible to avoid jelly toothpaste. Always use creamy toothpaste, and also make sure the toothpaste you're using is pure white. You don't want to use a mixture toothpaste. You're not going to get the best ingredients for that, because the white part is what contains baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, hazel, and a whole lot of antibacterial fighting properties that help to kill the acne on your face or the pimples. I will call it here in India, pimples. One thing you wouldn't want to do is to use a toothpaste that contains sodium lauryl sulfate. That's not good. For those that have sensitive skin like me, sodium lauryl sulfate in a toothpaste will leave you with rashes and some things that you wouldn't like. I've experienced it using this. Like this one has sodium lauryl sulfate. It's somewhere. Yeah, I don't know if you guys. It's very small. I don't know if you guys can see. But I'm gonna leave the name down there on the screen for you guys to see. I tried this one and I ended up with, though my pimples got cleared, but 3 to 4 days later I ended up with rashes on my face, and I decided to do research on it. Why is this white toothpaste giving me rashes? And I was told from the research, and especially is that it's caused because of the sodium lauryl sulfate. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm just going to leave it on the screen for you guys to see. So guys, how do you apply toothpaste on your skin? First thing first you need to do is to wash your face very clean. Use a cleanser to clean your face to lock in moisture. Yes, you should clean your face very well. My face is already clean and washed, so I'm just gonna take a pinch. You shouldn't rub toothpaste and you shouldn't rub toothpaste on your face like a mask. No, toothpaste is not a mask. Okay, so you're just gonna take a little. I think I need to bring my hand further. Just take a little like so, and maybe for example I had pimples here, but I don't have. Just tap it on the affected areas. Okay, tap it on the affected areas. Dab it on the affected areas and leave it on your face for 15 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes or more. If you know you can leave it for like 1 hour, leave it for 1 hour. Wash it off, rinse it off, wash it off, anyone. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Yes, use lukewarm water to rinse it off and finish it off with the cold water. Then moisturize your face as usual with a mild moisturizer, not a harsh moisturizer. You are not going to be using toothpaste and adding harsh moisturizer on your face. No, wash it off and apply a mild moisturizer. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Till I see you on my next video, I always say remain blessed.